Every year Hauli, a small town of Barpeta, is host to a great festival, the Raas Mahotsav. Such is the grace of the Divine Lord Shri Krishna that a sleepy town gets totally transformed to a bustling venue filled with joy, gaiety and laughter for 15 days. Lord Krishna is the Supreme Being, the Absolute, the Brahma, the Purna Purushottam. His influence pervades not only Hindu religion and philosophy, but also its literature and way of life. The people of Hauli have also been inspired by this realization about the all-pervading and omnipotent aura of the Lord, and accordingly celebrate Ras Leela in glory of their protector, teacher, philosopher and guide. Hauli is 120 kilometers away from Guwahati through National Highway 31. Hauli has been celebrating Raas Mahotsav for the past 80 years without any break and with pomp and glory. Large crowds are attracted not only from the different parts of Barpeta, but also from neighboring districts and even from West Bengal. Great enthusiasm can be witnessed right from the time of the inauguration. It is inaugurated by an eminent personality of the state, in the distinguished presence of the district magistrate and the superintendent of police, besides thousands of people. Security arrangements are made by setting up District Magistrate's camp and SP's control room. Police booths with adequate strength of paramilitary forces are also set up, besides volunteers' booth and watchtowers. Comfortable accommodation is available within 12 kilometers of the Mela site in tourist lodges, inspection bungalows, hotels, etc. Inside the temple, there are Bhagavat Path, recital of Holy Gita, Kirtan, Yatra, Kabi Gan with mega cultural nights. Almost all the renowned personalities, including Dr. Bhupen Hazarika, Zubin Garg, Khogen Mohanto, Manav Robin and others performed in the mega cultural nights in the yesteryears. While circus, toy train, puppet shows, magic shows, giant wheel, motorbike skill shows, dance etc. liven up the atmosphere outside. A grand fair is held centered around the festival. Almost 1,000 stalls sell various trade products and make lucrative profits. The fair thus provides a grand opportunity to trade houses, to get a ready market and have easy access to customers. Besides, the committee organizes one gift coupon lucky draw every year, where cars worth of 49 lakhs of rupees are given to the lucky winners. The fund thus raised will be used to construct a cultural complex with an estimated amount of rupees 10 crores. The Raas Mahotsav draws a huge crowd with a total of approximately 10 lakhs visitors on all days. This, however, crosses a lakh on the first and on the last day. The Raas Mahotsav of Hauli has developed a tradition of its own. and has a unique identity along with an indigenous character. Its unique feature is that though it is a religious festival, it also reflects the secular identity of the district. The fair symbolizes brotherhood irrespective of the religious diversity. Hauli Ras Mela is thus a mega festival where people from all walks of life take part, free from any social discrimination. It is the most powerful crowd-pulling event of entire Lower Assam in which Hauli becomes alive with the rhythm and beats of festive glory.